Hi everyone and Assalamu-Alikum. Welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I will be cleaning the kitchen. So stay tuned. So the microwave and the oven are at its worst condition. Don't even ask because they're extremely dirty and it's going to take a long time to clean them. I'm first going to grab a paper towel to pick up all the loose crumbs. Now I'm just gonna grab a bowl of warm water and dipped my microfiber cloth in the water and started wiping off the microwave. I forgot to mention, but in the warm water I also pour some dish soap in. My mom is washing the tray that was inside of the microwave with just soapy water. So now I have moved down to the oven and it's extremely dirty, as you can see. This door needs very thorough cleaning, so stay tuned. So here I'm just repeating the same steps. This product does not leave any scratches on the door. These two products in combination work so well. You will see if you have very hard stains, you have to try this product out. So as you can see, half of the oven looks more transparent, so you know that this product works. And I'm just gonna work on the top half of the oven now because it really needs that yellow stains gone. Look at the magic. I'm just gonna grab the powder comet with the same scrubber, start scrubbing the door again. This will definitely help with the remaining yellow stains. And look, it looks so clean. I love it. Just to remind you, here is the before and here is the after. Now I'm just gonna move down to the cabinets, and using just the warm water, I'm gonna wipe down the cabinets. Now I'm gonna move to the island and really deep clean the dishwasher because it really needs it. So moving to the stove, I'm just gonna clean the hood with the same products. And now I'm gonna thoroughly clean the fridge door. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And don't forget to share with your families and friends. Allah Hafiz. Bye.